Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be reading Hop on Pop by Dr. Seuss. The simplest use for young use. Up, pop. Pop is up. Cup, pop. Pop in cup. Pop, cup. Cup on pop. Mouse, house. Mouse on house. House, mouse. House on mouse. All tall. We all are tall. All small. We all are small. All ball. We all play ball. Ball wall. Up on a wall. All fall. Fall off the wall. Day play. We play all day. Night fight. We fight all night. He, me. He's after me. Him, Jim. Jim is after him. CB. We see a bee. CB3. Now we see three. Three tree. Three fish in a tree. Fish in a tree? How can that be? Red, red. They call me red. Red bed. I'm in bed. Red, Ned, Ted, and Ed in bed. Pat, Pat. They call him Pat. Pat sat. Pat sat on a hat. Pat, cat. Pat sat on cat. Pat, bat. Pat sat on bat. No, Pat, no. Don't sit on that. Sad, dad, bad, had. Dad is very sad. He had a very bad day. What a day Dad had. Thing, thing. What is that thing? Thing, sing. That thing can sing. Song long, a long, long song. Goodbye, thing. You sing too long. Walk, walk. We like to walk. Walk, talk. We like to talk. Hop, pop. We like to hop. We like to hop on top of pop. You must not hop on pop. Stop. Mr. Brown, Mrs. Brown. Mr. Brown is upside down. Pop up, Brown down. Pop is down. Where is Brown? Where is Brown? There is Brown. Mr. Brown is out of town. Back black. Brown came back. Brown came back with Mr. Black. Snack, snack. Eat a snack. Eat a snack with Brown and Black. Jump, bump. He jumped, he bumped. Fast, fast. He went fast, fast. Went, and sent. He went into the tent. I sent him out of the tent. Wet, get. Two dogs get wet. Help, yelp. They yelp for help. Hill, will. Will went uphill. Hill, will, still. Will is uphill still. Father, mother, sister, brother. That one is my older brother. My brothers read a little bit. Little words like if and it. My father can read big words too, like Constantinople and Timbuktu. Say, what does this say? See, he, me, we, pat, pop, pop. He, three, tree, bee. Top, hop, stop. Ask me tomorrow, but not today. Hop and Pop by Dr. Seuss. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed that story. Please subscribe to my channel. I make amazing content, and if you want to see more amazing content, then hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button and turn notifications on. Until next time, it's me signing off.